Hi, this is Hirak Das. In this lecture series, we discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from analog electronics in the year 1999. Okay, the question said that the thermal runaway will take place if the quiescent point is such that. Okay, at first we have to know what is thermal runaway. Thermal runaway, okay, thermal runaway is the self-destruction of unbiased transistor. Self-destruction of unbiased transistor is called thermal runaway. Okay, acha, now we know how it is occur. Okay, how the thermal runaway is occur is unbiased transistor occur. Now we know that IC equal to beta IB plus beta plus 1 ICBO. Okay, now here IB is the base current and ICBO is reverse saturation current. Now this ICBO depends on the minority carrier. What is minority carrier? Now this ICBO is depend on minority carrier concentration. Minority carrier concentration, right? What is minority carrier concentration? Minority carrier concentration is electron for p-type semiconductor and hole for n-type semiconductor. Now if the minority carrier concentration increases, then ICBO increases, and the temperature is, when the temperature increase in a semiconductor, minority concentration is increases, minority carrier concentration increases, and when the minority carrier concentration increases, is increase the ICBO. Okay, right, it increase ICBO. When ICBO increases, this ratio beta plus 1 ICBO increases, beta plus 1 ICBO also increases. When beta plus 1 ICBO increases, the total value collector current increases, collector current IC increases. When the collector current increases, what happens? The transistor is heat again, and when the transistor is heat again, it again increase the minority carrier concentration, it again increase ICBO, then beta plus 1 ICBO, and it's again increase the IC. So it's become a cumulative process. Okay, now if it is not stop, it increasing, the collector current increasing rapidly. In a certain point, the collector current increase such a way that the transistor is destroyed due to temperature. This point is called thermal runaway. Okay, so that is the main concept of thermal runaway. Now go to the question. The question is, thermal runaway will take place if the quiescent point is such a way. Remember that always you have to make the quiescent point VCE always less than equal to half VCC. Okay, you are giving the supply voltage VCC, your quiescent point VC is always less than equal to half VCC. Okay, now the option is, at first VC is greater than half VCC. No, this is not the right answer. VC less than VCC, that is also not the right answer. VC less than 2 VCC, no, that is also wrong. And option D is VC less than half VCC. Okay, that's the right answer. So the option D is the right answer, right? Thank you.